Welcome to today's episode. Today's episode is about unlocking chest mobility. So chest mobility meaning basics of chest. Let's get to it. So, in understanding chest movement, you gotta kind of understand that in the first place, there are just your cardinal directions. So cardinal directions meaning that you have your north, south, then east and west. So whichever way you want to go. So let's say right side, left side. So you have forward, right, back, left. Or you can go forward, side, back, side. That's kind of how we're just going to map it out today. So from here we have understanding that. We're going to go forward, right, back, left. Now I'm keeping my butt underneath me and that's not moving it at all. So if I'm going forward, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it flat. Okay. So for right now, again, we're going to be going forward, right, back, side, forward. Now from here, we're going to go again. Left, right, back, left, forward, right, back, left, forward. Switch it up, going left, back, side, forward. So we're going to try that again. We're going to go 2, 2. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, or just keep going. So after that, we have those two. So let's try that again. We have a forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, then forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side. Finishing it up. So let's try that again, but a little bit faster. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now notice I don't like doing a cabbage patch with this. So we have forward, back, side, side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So forward, forward, side, side, forward, forward, other side, other side. Easy enough. So let's try that again. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy enough. So that's going to be just getting used to how you move the chest back and forth. Now, after understanding that, you have your forward, back, side, side. Immediately after that, I want us to go into a circular motion. So let's say we take those points and then we round them out versus going straight forward. We're going to take a round, just a curved action to it. So we're going to go forward, circle to the side. So it's going to be forward half of the quarter of the pie, going back half the pie, and then side, going from back to side, that's 3/4 of the pie, and then forward, finishing off the pie. Okay, so you complete the whole thing. So we have a forward going left, quarter of the pie, going back, half the pie, going to the side, 3/4 of the pie, and then forward, that's completing the pie. So you can go from there, ba, 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 whoop, ba. Now don't worry about the feet, just so long as you're kind of in a wide stance, bent in the legs. You don't want to be stiff-legged when you do this. It's just going to look funky. So just keep your legs slightly relaxed. There's no footwork involved, so that's the best part, is just relaxed. So from here we have again, forward, right, back, side, forward, now reverse, left, back, right, forward. Now let's try and continue that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okie dokie. So let's go over that again. We have a forward around, then back around. So keep trying that out. Get used to going forward, back, reverse, forward, but. And then try and get this accent that I'm playing around with. Is that once I get to forward, I know I need to go back around. So you have forward, reverse. Let's say I'm coming from left to right, left to center. then reverse. So I'm going ba, kind of like a typewriter, cha-cha. And we've already learned that part by going this way in the previous exercise, just a typewriter. So it's just going flat through one plane versus going forward and more around. It's going to be a typewriter, just click, click. So we have a yeah, all the way around, click, ba, e, ga, e, wa, ba. So you just play around with that, okay? Now here's another complicated one, is learning just a side circle. So one half of the body doing its own circle. So very rarely, well not very rarely, but not often do you see this being used, but when it is being used, it looks like something completely different. But what you're going to try and do is just imagine that you're trying to carve out a right circle. So very small. You want to try and imagine that you're carving out a circle around where your hip is. So if you imagine your hip on this side, and then imagine drawing a circle around that, that's essentially all I want to do, is just go forward, side, back, and then make that small circle versus like a huge circle where I'm drawing a circle all the way around myself. This is just a very small, tight circle. So this is the finer version. So that way you can do it this to slower mute, to faster music. So when it comes, like a really good song comes on and you just go like, almost shimmy down, and then all of a sudden you just do small circle. And that's something that you could do, which I find very fun. And then you can do it in the reverse. King, king, king. King, 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 king. And just doing the small looks a lot more controlled versus boom, boom, boom. Which, I mean, also can look good, but I feel like it doesn't look good on me. Small circle on the right, so just a tighter version of the full circle. Okay, so right now you're just drawing a circle around your hip. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just get used to doing both on both sides. So you're going to do 2 and 2. So right then left. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Woo! Recap. We have forward, side, back. Oh, sorry. Forward, center, side, center, back, center, center, forward, center, left, center, back, center, right, center, forward, circle, around, quarter, half, 3/4, full, reverse, quarter, half, 3/4, full. Now from here we have our small circle. We have our forward and back, sorry. We had our 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I want to try to imagine is that I'm just like, it's also almost as if I'm sitting back when I'm going forward. Ba, 3. I'm not really trying to focus on my shoulders. I'm not doing this. Ba, I'm just doing chest, 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 chest. So it's an isolation. And then when we have our side, it's flat like a typewriter. Side, 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 side. Coolio? Going into our small circles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just using that and playing around with that. Awesome job. Hey, thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. What I wanted to say is that I hope that you're enjoying everything so far. If you do, leave a comment, leave a like, especially leave a like. It helps me out so much. That way YouTube recommends my videos to more people. And I can start building a community of people that would be able to help each other out and get from point -1 to 0 to 1, and then getting ready for actually stepping into classes. I feel like that this has been a great time for myself to just refocus on my goals and refocus on what I wanted to do. And this is kind of a project that I've been holding off for a very long time. So I really hope that this reaches somebody that it'll benefit. Have prior dance experience, that's fine. This will help you understand like the teeny little bits that you didn't get to. And for me, the greatest help has been repetition, 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 repetition. And sometimes revisiting the basics, just focusing on the footwork, and then refocusing on the entire choreography. So hopefully you enjoyed my little rant, and hopefully you enjoy the next part in the next series. All right, thank you so much.